Here we go. Hear that little top out? Whee! How do you not do this when you're on a bike? That is the new 2023 Kawasaki Z125 Pro. And what a blast this bike is. So let's do a little bit of a review. Nothing too crazy, only 125 cc, similar to a Grom. I have a Grom. I'll do a review on that in a little bit as well. Why don't we get out there? Little aftermarket exhaust on this thing. Only 635 miles. Pretty simple. So let's go for a ride. The gearbox on this is great. I don't know if it's just the way that it's set up with my Grom, but so the 0 to 30 right here in the parking lot, great. No complaints. Love it. And the Grom is a little bit slower on that first, so I do like the pickup with this one. This bike loves 35 miles an hour. Loves it. Once you get into fourth gear, top gear, you have to really kind of push it to get anything above 40. It's just a slow climb. Well, let's talk a little bit about how I got the bike. So this is a 2023, basically no miles. Essentially what happened is somebody wrecked it, didn't want it after that. They put it online for auction, and of course I bid on it, and I got it for I would say a steal. The front handlebar section totally demolished. They ran into something, so the handlebars were messed up, the front forks were messed up. The only saving grace here is the tire. The tire rim was not bent. With all the damage, I thought for sure the rim would be bent. It was not, and so I had to get all new front forks, triple, to get it to line up. And lucky me, I had this handlebar in stock already from a previous project, so that worked really nicely. Kept the original mirrors, new shifting levers, Kawasaki green. Tried to put a little bit of green on this thing, considering it's I grayed it all out with these new plastics I got from Howling Moto. So look them up, Howling Motos. They got some pretty cool designs. I mean, you can get most designs anywhere. I was going to wrap it or put some stickers on this bike, but there's too many broken plastics. So I mean, I feel more comfortable on a road that is, say, 55 miles an hour with the Grom, and then I do this bike. Great, this is a great road for this bike. 35 mile an hour, 40 mile an hour, great. Anything beyond that, you feel like you're holding up traffic and you just don't have the power. But that's not what this bike's about. This bike's about just getting around and having fun. And if you live in Northwest Arkansas, say you work for Walmart, a bike like this is a dream. That's just a fun road to go on in the back. Now you can take a passenger on the Grom, and you can take a passenger on this Z125, but that all the spunkiness and everything that you're seeing kind of right now, and the agility, yeah, you lose almost all of that. Oh, here we go. You hear that little top out? Here we go, 50 miles an hour, there we go, downhill. We're going back to the scene of the crime. My wife took a spill here a little bit ago. Right here, boom, right there. Didn't see the side of the road. This is one of my favorite places. Just out here, kind of just in the middle of nowhere. Hopefully I don't pop a tire. That would be... Look at that beautiful little stream right there. Oh, never mind, it stinks. There's something going on here. That thing smells bad. Alright, well, normally I like coming down here because it's just this nice little... spot. we'll go back. So, quick video. Little tuck. Whee! Uphill, here we go. 45. Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad for just a little bike, little guy. There's 50. Yep. 50's it. One little smaller than me probably wouldn't have that big of an issue with this bike. Great on gas. I mean, I suppose if I actually drove this more than like 10 miles at a time, I could actually do some damage to the gas meter, or the fuel gauge, but right now I might lose 1 bar after this trip, maybe. I do wonder how fast I could get this thing to go. Like I said, I mean, this is a bike you can get a lot of trouble with. Not because it's fast. Low speed, you just want to lift it. I'm not gonna do it. I want to do it. I want to do it. I want to try to put my legs out for drag for wind speed. Ah! My glove. Yoink! There you go. There's that one. And there's that one. That one has better top end. This one has more spunk from the first 2-3 gears. Weighs less. Feels like it weighs less anyway. I'm pretty sure it does. But it's not as reliable. That probably is more reliable. I just have more faith in Honda. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great time. We'll talk to you later.